Hello friend. Today we are going to see the second chapter in Hornbill. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. Written by Jordan Cook and his friend Alan East. And this story is about the adventurous journey of their boat. And that boat is called as Waywalker. And it is extreme bravery and skill shown by Jordan Cook and his team. Even his family and his team in a war with the water and way for existence. His wife and his son Jonathan, Susan, his daughter, started their journey in the month of July in a year of 1976. Right? They went at first in England to duplicate the round the world journey made 200 years ago by Captain James Cook. They took this trip in their professionally designed ship. And this ship has name of Waywalker and accompanied by two means one American and another is Swiss sailor, respectively Larry Vigil and Hub Sailor to tackle the situation in a coastal area means in southern Indian Ocean. The first part of this story of this journey is about 1,05,000 kilometers up to Cape Town. Passed very smoothly, very comfortably, and they enjoyed their journey very well. But on second day of Cape Town, they started encounter the strong windstorms, and this windstorm did not worry about the narrator. The height of these waves are means was around 15 meters above that as high as the possible. On 25th of the December, the writer's ship reached in southern Indian Ocean, and that was about 3,500 kilometers to the east of the Cape Town. The family welcomed New Year on a ship. At the sunrise of 2nd January, the waves were huge in size, and these were afraid to the writer and his team. Unfriendly weather, massive waves forced the sailor to slow the speed of the ship. Right? The risk was so obvious that sailor accomplished a life raft drill attached to lifeline boat and life jackets. Unexpectedly, at 6 p.m., a terrific explosion shook the wave walker and writer was thrown over the board. He was lying there. Wave walker was about to overturn when another massive wave hit it, throwing it upright. One. Right? More time. The writer was thrown back again on the deck, and his head and ribs were smashing. He was hit by this throwing and touching wall of Waywalker. In spite of a lot of injuries, Writer took charge of situation. Writer decided to handle it on his own way because he had experience. At the same time, Larry and Herbs started pumping out water from the ship. I mean, they were doing the job of bracketing the water. Very risk. The author somehow means the main person managed to cover the canvas across the gap to stop water from entering into the ship. Moreover, their hand pumps stopped functioning. Electric pump short circuited at the same time, and because of that short circuit, and pump did not work. Luckily, Titan found a spare electrical pump, and that was in a working condition. The entire night, everyone on a ship pumping, sparing, repairing, sending radio signal for the help. Even his children, Jonathan and Susan, they were helping either father or other sailors. Author checked the chat and found that Amsterdam, a French scientific base, was their last hope. Sue and Jonathan, and Susan and Jonathan got heavily injured, but they were not afraid to die if they were all together, right? His head got swelling, she was having deep injury, and moreover, the writer became extra determined to see the courage of his children. When he saw they were working, at the time he was motivated by their efforts. Finally, they were able to touch the Amsterdam. It was volcanic island where 26 inhabitants were ready to receive them, ready to welcome them. Right? In this way, they passed through the horrible night. They passed through the very dangerous night. The conclusion of this lesson is that to sum up, we are not afraid to die if we can be all together. We can see collective efforts are required in every form. If collective efforts are there and never failing attitude, so definitely that work can be reached to the objective, and it's not possible. It's the same thing happened in this story, right? In this story, we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. ये story है एक journey की, right? देखो जॉर्डन कुक और एलन इसने लिखा हुआ है। जॉर्डन कुक और उनकी फैमिली के साथ वो बड़े जर्नी पे निकल जाते हैं। तो उनकी फैमिली में मैरी, उनकी वाइफ, उनका बेटा जोनाथन और सुजान उनकी डॉटर, उनके साथ दो अदर सेलर भी थे। एक अमेरिकन थे मैरी और दूसरे थे हब सेलर जो स्विस थे। दोनों एकदम एक्सपर्ट थे और उन्होंने एक जहाज वे वॉकर एक प्रोफेशनली तरीके से डिजाइन की गई थी कि जो कैसे भी हालात में टिक सके या चल सके। लेकिन वो जैसे ही आगे निकलती 1,05,000 जर्नी काटने के बाद केप टाउन के पास पहुंचने के बाद या उसके निकलने के बाद उनको धीरे धीरे जो वेव्स है, जो समुद्र की लाट है, परेशान करने लग जाता है और आसमान भी इतना काला हो जाता है कि उसी समय उनके जहाज के ऊपर, डेस्क के ऊपर पानी पानी फैल जाता है और हर कोई वो पानी निकालने को लग जाता है, राइट? उसी समय जॉर्डन मतलब लेखक वो 2 बार गिर जाते हैं और उनको यहाँ पर अंदर में चोट लग जाती है। लेकिन जो दो सेलर है पैरी और सेलर, वो दोनों के दोनों पंप यूज करते हुए पानी को निकालने की कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन थोड़े समय के बाद वो पंप काम करना बंद कर देती है, राइट? इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट की वजह से, राइट? लेकिन उसी समय दूसरा पंप उनको दिखाई देता है, मतलब राइटर को, और उसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं। लेकिन उस समय राइट जोनाथन और उसकी मतलब जोनाथन और सुजान, वो जो दोनों लड़के हैं, लड़की और लड़का लेखक की, वो दोनों की दोनों इंजर्ड होने के बावजूद भी वो भी नहीं पा पाती और वो दिखा रहे कि हम भी तैयार है, यदि कुछ हो जाए तो भी चलेगा। और इसी वजह से राइटर अंदरूनी चोट होने की वजह से ज्यादा से ज्यादा डिटरमाइन हो चुके, उन्होंने निश्चित कर लिया और उनको लास्ट होप था एम्स्टर्डम, जो एक आइलैंड जो था वो लास्ट होप था। और उसी समय वो सिग्नल देने की कोशिश करते रेडियो पर कि उनको कहीं ना कहीं हेल्प मिल जाए, लेकिन ऐसी कोई हेल्प नहीं मिलती, राइट? तो ऐसे ही रात पूरी नाइट वो लोग पानी निकालते हुए, चलाते हुए उस बेब वॉकर को ले जाते हैं और फिर सुबह सुबह उनको दिखाई देता है कि जो आइलैंड है जहाँ पे 28 इनहेबिटेंट है रहने वाले, वो उनको रिसीव करने के लिए रेडी है, वेलकम करने के लिए रेडी है। तो ये लेसन कहना कि दोस्तों एक करेज और कलेक्टिव एफर्ट्स की बात करता है, मतलब हम साथ में मिलकर काम करें तो कोई भी काम को अंजाम दे सकते हैं, जो इस लेसन में कहा गया है। क्या कहा गया है? We are not afraid to die if we can ऑल वी टुगेदर। तो कहीं ना कहीं एक अच्छा मैसेज है, और आप इस लेसन को पढ़ोगे तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको पता चलेगा कि ये लेसन एक मोटिवेशनल और इंस्पिरेशनल लेसन है और एक स्टोरी है। थैंक यू, विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।